मतपेटयेंत मतांचो निकाल आसतना राज्यांत विधानसभा अधिवेशन जावप म्हळ्यार पिशेपणा अशें विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी म्हणटात. सरकाराक जाय जाल्यार सरकाराच्यान 25 दीस फाटीं विधानसभा अधिवेशन घेवं येता आसलें, मात आतां नवें सरकार येवपा वेळार अधिवेशन घेवप योग्य न्हय म्हूण विरोधी पक्ष फुडारी प्रतापसिंग राणे उलयल्यात. RDX खातीर पणजेच्यान संजय मनोली.
I have specially called this press conference because the governor, in her wisdom, called this assembly on 28th. I was informed by the Chief Minister that we have called the assembly session some 1 day or 2 days back. Notices have reached us yesterday. No business advisory committee meeting was held. What is going to be the business in the House? Is it for a day? He said it will be just for half an hour and all that. We are meeting. We are representatives of the people. And when we meet, we would like to express our views. Or is it only going to be the address, which is usually the address of the government, which the governor reads out? You see, the administrator. The address, I know what is happening in the government. I have been in the government as well. That governor's address is prepared by the government. Now, this seems rather funny to me because we will not be able to reply to that, which is just an emergency. Like, what was the emergency? They could have had when there was 1 month, they could have had the session some 25 days back and given us notice. Because we have a lot to say on these things in the House. On the motion of thanks to the governor, we would like to say, bring in cut motions. Usually we bring cut motions because after all this is how a democracy functions. Everybody has to have a different view of things and then together we decide. But we cannot misuse the democratic rights.
People are going on the road because there are so many people because of highway bars, then there are so many issues. I hope the government gives the stand on these issues. I know the assembly, the next government is in place. Now I think the government should, in its address, we are expecting something. Let's hope. Otherwise it's an assembly where the whole people have voted already. We have got people who, we have got almost so many candidates, all are aspiring that they are going to be winners here. Since we are having an assembly, there are some 251 candidates, all of them want to be winners on 11th of March. And now we have got an assembly in between after voting has been, is a height of democracy.